So yesterday we heard about this art gallery. It was a 3D art gallery where you can stand in the paintings and have your photos and everything taken with it. So we thought, we've only got a few days left here in Siem Reap, so we'll head out there today. We decided to get up early and walk, and it's about an hour and we're now in the middle of nowhere. See behind me there, just fields, some houses behind me there. But apparently we're only sort of 10-15 minutes away. So looking forward to seeing this. This is the side of places you don't see on all these travel videos and everything, which really sort of hype up the best bits of the sun, the sand, the sea, you know, the culture, but you don't see shit dumped everywhere by people that have been building hotels and houses, and they've got loads of rubbish and they find a bit of spare land, they'll just throw their crap out here and just leave it. It's a real shame. Oh, it's nice to be back on a solid road. Well, after nearly an hour of walking, we've finally found it. There it is. But look at all those water buffalo. There's loads of them. It doesn't seem to be anyone here, and
it could be the start of a horror film or the start of something. I'm not sure.
hopefully the latter.
2 people. For one ticket, $10.
Yeah, so 2 tickets.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. So this place is brilliant. It's basically loads of, like, here we go, let me put that behind you. Loads of 3D art where you pretend you're turning that page over there. No, check. See the page. So this is, there you see, it looks like you're turning the page over. There's look like you're being grabbed by King Kong, get hit by Spider-Man's web. So, I've never seen anything like this as a tourist attraction, so it should be really cool. So you know where to stand and everything. Each painting or each image has a photo point sticker on the floor, so you know that it shows you what you have to do and where to take the photo from. I don't know what that dinosaur thing is, but... So this place is broken up into different zones. At the moment we're in the aquatic zone. I think there's an Egyptian zone. I think there's an anchor complex zone. But it's all really funny and really cool. Just like being big kids again.
And as time you wait, eat your heart out. Catching your marlin. Comfy there? And I've moved like your bum to your left and then dip down. Well, I'm about to lose Ben. He's about to go through a wormhole.
Some Stargate. Okay, now we look like we've come into the jungle area. Elephants, meerkats. Rhino with lipstick, that's a new one. There's a monkey holding what looks like my camera.
It looks like you're being probed in some way.
Right, so it looks like we're going now into Roman times. There's loads of kids here now, so they're literally screaming. I don't know if you can hear, but they're really loud and it echoes so badly in here. In famous paintings, and I've just been knighted, and I'm now going to be crowned king.
This is Ben's favourite art piece and he's sat in it already.
Oh, this makes my eyes go funny. Oh, I don't know if you can see, but the floor slopes one way and the ceiling slopes another. And the painting angles back and it really makes you really dizzy. That's awesome, yeah. The next bit is amazing. I'll show you. I've already had a look. So when we walk in, how How amazing is this? We've literally explored nearly the 7 wonders of the world in one room. it's so fun. So if you come to Siem Reap, and not many people know about this when we spoke to them, come here. It's hilarious. It was only $10 each for us to come in. We're in here, what, about 9:30 in the morning, and on a Sunday, handful of people. All the noisy kids are gone now. But I reckon it's so fun. Oh wow, Christmas in Angkor Wat. Oh wow. We just made our way all the way through now. It was absolutely fantastic. You've got to come, it's so much fun and it's so funny to try and get these photos. So all that running around has left me really thirsty and really hungry. So we're going to grab a drink, grab some waffles and sit down and relax for a bit. So we're all finished, fed, watered, and we're going to try and make our way back. We've decided we're going to give it another walk back, see how it gets on. It is getting really hot now, so we might grab a tuk-tuk if one passes us by, but we'll see. It's a nice day, so we've got to make the most of it. So the walk back was short-lived. We saw a tuk-tuk driver, we flagged him down. We thought we'd have a break from working in the apartment today, so we've come to Vibe, the trendy vegan cafe of Siem Reap. We thought we'd get a bit of food here as well whilst we're here. So I'm waiting on the positive, oh there we are, the positive pancakes, gluten-free, made with nut milk and some fruit. And Chess has gone for, what have you gone for, Chess? She ignored me.
Oh, turmeric latte.
Turmeric latte? No. What food have you gone for?
Oh,
See, she was paying falafel. So you can tell she was paying attention. No, that's a nice looking lunch. That's the colourful looking lunch. Since we're back from Vibe from lunch, I've no idea where the time's gone. So it's now 6:30, 6:45. We have spent most of the afternoon just editing the video and stuff from today. We're going to head out for some food now. So what's this place called?
Khmer Touch.
Khmer Touch. What sort of food is it?
Khmer food.
Well, it's very fancy from what we've been having for the past 28 days. It's very nice. So you got sea bass there.
Yeah, with 3 sauces.
With 3 sauces. And I've gone for the chicken.
I'll just
Well, we finished dinner and now we've ended up in another night market. This was tucked away at the other end of the city now, and it's actually really good. So Chess is looking for a hat, and you see behind there. She's trying to find a hat that she wants. Shiny, shiny.
got hurt my ankle.
Well, we found hats. Well, it's going to take bloody ages to choose which one. Go on then, put it on.
Which one? I think I like that one.
That's nice though.
This one?
Yeah. Well, we might have found a winner.
This one?
That actually suits you really well. Can you tell I've had enough of looking at hats now? So we managed to get, there you go, so you managed to get a Chesca hat. And I managed to get myself another vest. This time with banana prints on, because it actually looks awesome. But I haven't tried it on yet, so we'll see what it's like when we get back. We were dangerously getting into the swing of shopping, so we decided to take ourselves home and lock ourselves away before we spend any more money. So I'll say night, and I'll see you tomorrow.